What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Hope. Glad to have you join my family, even though there's not many of us yet because it's only my second video. But anyway, today I wanted to sit down and film a little Christmas look for you guys. I didn't realize Christmas was so close. I thought I still had like 3 weeks. I feel like I've been living under a rock. So given that Christmas is only a week away, I really wanted to do a Christmas look. So I'm going to stop rambling now and let's just get into today's look. So for today's look, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. There's just some really nice warm browns in here, and when I think of Christmas, I think of warm browns, I think of gold, I think of ready tone browns, etc. So we'll just see what I create, I guess. So I'm going to start off with my base, and I'm just going to use my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. Okay, now that the base is down, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm not sure of the names, they're on the back, but I'm not good at reading the back of the palette and coordinating the names. So I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, which is just a light neutral brown shade. And I'm just going to pick that up on a fluffy brush like this, and I just want to put it all in the crease. Okay, now that I've got that brown down, I'm just going to go in with another blending brush, just one like this, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade here, which is just sort of a warm tone, reddy brown, I guess you could say. I'm just going to focus that right here and sort of do like a wing shape, but not really a wing, just a small one. A V, that's the word I was looking for, a V shape. I'm just focusing that on the outer part of my eye, right here, and then blending whatever's left in, just like that. So next I want to go in with a smaller, more detailed brush. So I'm just going to go in with a brush like this, which is smaller, more detailed, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here, which is just a deeper reddy brown. I'm so terrible at explaining shades, I apologize. So again, I just want to focus that out here and then more into the crease. So now we're looking something like that, and I'm going to go back in with that first blending brush, and I just want to sort of softly blend that out. Now that I've got that blended out a little bit, I want to go in with a gold shade for the lid, and I'm just going to go in with a small brush like this, and I think I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is just a nice gold shade. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. I'm going to go back in with some of that deep red shade just to... Oh, there's an eyelash stuck to my brush. Oh no. I just want to sort of blend that in a little bit so there's not really any harsh line between the red, like the brown and the gold. And I think I am going to go in with a little bit of a deeper shade. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to leave it like this because I have too much jean. I have the too much gene where I go in too much with makeup. It's terrible. Okay. Now that we've done this eye, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to do my base and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just went off camera, did my base makeup, brows, etc. And now I'm going to finish up on the eyes, pop on some lashes and do my lips. So I'm going to do the lower lash line first. So I'm going to go in with this fine brush, little detail blender brush. And I think I'm going to go in with this shade and then a little bit of this shade up here to blend it out. I'm just going to try and smoke that out. Okay, and then in with that lighter shade. I'm then going to hit the inner corner with a little bit of this shade right here, which is just a light champagne-y shade. Champagne-y, reddy, can't describe shades, you know? So just popping that in the inner corner to brighten up a little bit. And I think I'm going to put some on the brow bone too. I still love me a good brow bone highlight. I love it. Okay, so next, what is a Christmas look without a winged liner? So I'm just going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex winged liner. As you can see, it's got a fine point. And I'm just going to go in and do a bit of a wing. Okay, they are so uneven, but that's fine. I'm next going to go in with my lashes, and I'm just going to use just a very sort of not very dramatic pair of lashes. I don't want this to be a full-on dramatic look, like I said, even though it is a little bit dramatic. I've lost my tweezers. I've lost them. I found them. Okay, I'm just going to go pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on, mascara's done, and now it's time for the lip. And what is a Christmas look without a nice red lip? So I'm going to be doing a nice red lip today. I'm just going to go in with this lip liner here called Frenchie by Colourpop. It's just one of their lippie pencils. And then I'm going to go in with this Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. Can I just say how much I love the applicator on this? It hugs my lips perfectly, even though I have tiny lips. I completely forgot to put my Christmas earrings back in. Would you believe it? Anyway, this is the final look. Really hope you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Would really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.